Good morning, this is Eric Swans with American Home Fitness. I hope you're having a great Tuesday morning. Coming up on July 4th, that means we got to keep working our bodies hard, get them strong, get them fit for short season and tank tops, and get them ready for the sports that we love to participate in, whether you're a weekend warrior like myself, or you've got a young man or woman in your family that's getting ready for youth sports and high school sports in the fall. It's important to have great equipment in the home to carry those training methods and those training programs, not only from the trainer's facility, but back into the house, because here's a great piece to help you do that. This is the Inspire SCS cage. You can see this is a traditional Smith machine. We got 14 spots on the double gun racks to rack the red bar. You can do your traditional fixed bar movements like a press, pull the bench up, get underneath it, scoot it back a touch, go right into a military press. Pull the bench out, go right into a deadlift, work those glutes. You can see I've got safety spotters down here to protect you. In case you get to a point of failure, you can just drop it onto the safety spots and you can walk away from the exercise. You'll also notice we have 6 pull points, 2 up top, 2 on the side, 2 below. Obviously, I'm going to pull this bench out a little bit further, rack the bar up top, get it out of the way, bring our cable pulleys down to a midpoint. I can step right into a cable fly, cable press, and bring them down. Curl, rear delt. Again, independent unilateral push press. Up here we have dual pulleys. You can add on for only another $99 a bar suited specifically for 2 pulley points. Back it up here, get down on one knee, tighten your core, firm up the glutes, go right into a lat pull down. Stand up, bring it down, tricep press, step back, do a straight arm pull down for your mid lats. Down below, we can put down a 2-handed attachment to do seated rows. All of this, Summer Strong Special, $54.99. Say you saw it on this video, get 20% off our Summer Strong 23 special, and get out of here for under $5,000, including the bench. Get your kids strong, get yourself strong, get ready for a fun, fit, and activity-filled summer. This is Eric signing off. Go out and make it a great day.